Guys, I've left you guys with a broken project because we couldn't see nothing will appear in here, and Xcode shows no error. So what's the problem in here? I guess you guys already know that's because we haven't called self.TableView that reload data because the table view didn't reload the data when it finishes downloading when it finished downloading all the videos. So now if you run it, it should work perfectly and you should have the videos of your playlists. And let's see. Okay, so here when we click on that video, we can watch it. Now my Wi-Fi is working a little bit slower, so don't worry guys. And then if you go to the playlist of that channel, let's say we want to click on this playlist. Clicked on it. Here you go guys, you have all the videos of his channel. Ain't that beautiful? Look, for that channel, ask MKBHDV9 building a studio. Let's CES 2014. CES 2014. Here we go. All the videos. Look how all these videos are HD. I love it. For this one, for example. There you go, guys. You've all the videos. Ain't that beautiful? Now you can access all the videos. Two videos. Two, five. One, two, three, four, five. Four fives. So guys, now you know how to get the last videos of a channel. You know how to get all the videos of it, all the playlist of a channel and access the videos inside the playlists. So I've shown you guys how to do so. Now, in this video, let's just customize it a little bit. In here, we will add last videos, and in here we will add playlist. And when we click on the playlist, we want to put the playlist title in here, and we want to also change the back button. No, the back button we will change it by the end of the video. Oh, and so we're just going to do it. And also, we will play these videos in this video. So if you want to do so, here we are inside playlist videos TableView controller. You need to create another variable called playlist title. Now this playlist title in here called self.navigation item, self.navigation item, that title, make it equal to playlist title dot uppercase string, this way, like that. Now go to last video TableView controller, and in view did load, just write self.navigation item that title is equal to last videos. Here just put last videos. Now go to playlist TableView controller. Playlist TableView controller. You just want to write self.navigation item that title is equal to playlist. Here we go, guys. Now we need to add something else in here. We need to pass the playlist title. So press Command Shift K. Once you've cleaned your project, call and type vc.playlist title. Here we go. And then pass the playlist title. You can just copy this, put it in here, and change, instead of ID, put title. Now if you run it, Everything should be fine. Okay, so let's inspect this. It takes a little bit of time. Let's see. Now, last videos, fine. If you go here, playlist. If you click here, YouTube Gear, name of the playlist. You click on DubTech, name of the playlist. Now you want it to be white as well. You don't want it to be this way. So we're gonna put it to white. It's easy. So if you don't want to do it on the main dash storyboard, you can do it on app delegate. On app delegate, here, just call UI navigation bar dot appearance dot tint color and make the tint color to UI color dot white color. Now if you do this, you should be ready to go. Just so this line of code will change the tint color for all the UI navigation bar that are present in your app. This way you don't have to do it one by one in the main dash storyboard file. Now, don't know what happened, but it didn't seem to have worked.